DRPS2.
Hello mga mamis. Gusto nyo bang manganak sa dekalidad at libreng paanakan? Halina at puntahan ang Bagwa Lying-in Clinic. Libreng manganak at kasama na ang family planning. Kaya mga mamis, simulan na ang libreng pagpapacheck up. Dito lang yan sa Bagwa Lying-in Clinic, open 24 hours at PhilHealth accredited. Narito ang kanilang mga services offered: family planning, IUD insertion or removal, check-up, pill supply, condom supply, DMPA injection, referrals for bilateral ligation, BTL, natural family planning, NFP method, counseling, maternal and child health, physical exam, breast exam, pelvic exam, prenatal care, postnatal care, pap smear, well body care, immunization, breastfeeding, cord dressing, whey taking, safe, normal, spontaneous delivery, newborn screening. For other services, you may please contact our midwife at landline number 557-4422 or a cellphone number 0917-531-6697. Para sa mga karagdagang katanungan, pwede kayong bumisita anumang oras sa Bagwa Lying-in Clinic at hanapin lamang ang kanilang clinic manager. Ang Bagwa Lying-in Clinic ay matatagpuan sa Quimpo, Bagwa 2, Cotabato City. Owned and managed by Madam Tupe Camano Mandi. Tandaan mga mamis, Bagwa Lying-in Clinic.